Lock on to the future of warfare, where stealth drones slice through the skies, fighter jets duel in mid-air chaos, and hive mind swarms outthink human reflexes. This compilation exposes the mind-bending tech behind AI-guided weapons, invisible surveillance networks, and air defenses battling threats we can't even see yet.
Some military drones use quantum physics to send messages, and no one can intercept them without being caught. These drones use quantum encryption, a system that sends data using single photons, the smallest particles of light. Each photon carries a signal, and if someone tries to eavesdrop, the quantum state collapses. The drone instantly knows it's been spied on. These photons can travel 20 miles without losing their quantum state, making the signal ultra-secure and ultra-fast. The system changes the encryption key every 3 milliseconds, faster than any hacker can react. This is the same technology used in China's Mishia satellite, the world's first quantum communication satellite. And if you thought this was sci-fi, scientists just tested this system in a storm, and it still worked perfectly. What if a fighter jet could change color in 3 seconds, faster than a chameleon? Modern stealth jets use adaptive camouflage systems to blend into their surroundings, and it's pure engineering magic. Over 2,000 microfluidic cells cover the fuselage, each capable of shifting hue and tone in real time. These cells work like squid skin, nature's most advanced camouflage system, cycling through 10 color patterns in under 3 seconds. The result? A dramatic 90% reduction in radar visibility in certain spectrums, making the jet nearly invisible. This tech was once thought impossible, but now, it's changing the future of aerial warfare. And it all started with a squid, proving that nature is still the best engineer. The F-35 can track over 100 targets at once, without even looking. This fifth-generation jet is packed with 11 advanced sensors that collect data from every direction, every single second. Its AI processes 10,000 data points per second, faster than any human pilot could react. This sensor fusion system can detect a stealthy enemy drone from over 60 miles away, in real time. But the real magic is in the prediction. The AI doesn't just detect threats, it predicts where they'll be in the next 3 seconds. That's like having a sixth sense in the sky, giving pilots a tactical edge no other jet can match. The F-35 isn't just a jet, it's a flying AI battlefield computer. What other tech should we break down next? Imagine hundreds of drones acting like a single brain, reacting in just 1/10 of a second. This is the Neural Interface System, a breakthrough in drone swarm technology that mimics the intelligence of a bee colony. Each drone is equipped with a powerful onboard neural chip, processing data in just 1/10 of a second. The swarm communicates using ultra-fast millimeter-wave signals, transferring data at 10 gigabits per second. If one drone fails, the entire swarm reconfigures itself in under 3 seconds, no human input needed. This system is modeled after a bee colony. If one drone detects a threat, the whole swarm adapts in real time. And scientists still can't explain how naturally it mimics life. It's like the future of AI just took flight. Imagine a submarine that can travel over 3,000 miles without surfacing, and it's controlled by artificial intelligence. The US Navy is deploying these AI-powered autonomous subs as part of a high-tech surveillance network in the deep ocean. These subs use sonar mosaics to create ultra-detailed maps of the ocean floor, with 1-inch precision. Each sub communicates with others using low-frequency sound waves that travel at 1,500 feet per second, faster than most submarines can move. And here's the mind-blowing part. They can mimic the sounds of marine life to avoid detection by enemy sonar systems. These AI subs can operate for thousands of miles, mapping the ocean like never before, and they're just the beginning. What if the next war is fought not on land or in the air, but in the deep ocean, where AI reigns supreme? A laser can create a path through the air so a weapon follows it with perfect accuracy, at a distance of 1 mile. This is called a laser-induced plasma channel, a breakthrough in directed energy guidance systems. The laser pulse heats the air to 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, instantly creating a plasma channel that acts as a guide. This channel narrows the energy beam to less than 1 inch in diameter, at a mile away, like a laser-guided needle in the sky. The system locks onto a target in under 1,000th of a second, faster than the blink of an eye. Here's the mind-blowing part: the plasma channel vanishes in less than 1/10 of a second, leaving no trace behind. It's like a ghost in the sky, fast, invisible, and impossible to counter. What other tech is hiding in the future? A single laser can destroy a missile traveling at 1,000 miles per hour, in less than 1,000th of a second. This is the directed energy weapon, a military system designed to intercept threats with precision and speed. It works by focusing 10 million watts of power into a single beam, enough to melt through metal in seconds. The system tracks targets with a precision of 1/100th of a degree, like hitting a bullet mid-flight from a mile away. It doesn't just shoot missiles, it can disable drones, satellites, and even blind the sensors on pirate ships. That's the power of a laser that can fire faster than your eye can blink, and still hit its target every time. What if I told you this technology is already in use, and it's just the beginning? A swarm of just 24 drones can completely confuse even the most advanced radar systems, and they do it in under 30 milliseconds. These AI-powered drone swarms are designed to mimic the radar signature of a fighter jet, a 10,000-pound aircraft, while flying in coordinated patterns that baffle enemy defenses. Each drone acts like a mini-general. If one is destroyed, another instantly takes command, keeping the mission alive without a central control system. Operating in a swarm reduces the chance of detection by 90%, because the enemy can't lock onto just one target. They can fly at speeds up to 120 miles per hour, with a range of over 60 miles, and they're getting smarter every day. Imagine a flock of birds that can think, adapt, and outmaneuver a fighter jet, all while flying in perfect sync. And the best part? They don't need a human to tell them what to do, they lead themselves. A weapon can skim the edge of space at over 7,000 miles per hour, that's faster than any manned aircraft. This is the hypersonic glide body, a cutting-edge military technology developed by the United States and now being advanced by China and Russia. Unlike rockets, it doesn't fire continuously, it glides, using tiny flaps to steer through the upper atmosphere at blistering speeds. It flies at an altitude of 60 to 90 miles, skimming the edge of space, where air is so thin it barely slows it down. It reaches speeds of 10,000 miles per hour, that's over 15 times the speed of sound. The extreme heat from friction can melt steel in under 30 seconds, but it's protected by a ceramic composite that can withstand 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And scientists still can't explain how it stays so stable at those speeds. It's like flying a paper airplane through a hurricane. What if a jet engine could fly at 5 times the speed of sound, and have absolutely no moving parts? This is the scramjet, a hypersonic engine developed by the US military that flies at Mach 5 without a single spinning turbine. Instead of spinning blades, it uses shock waves to compress air at over 30,000 miles per hour. Fuel is then injected at a precise angle and ignites at 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, all while the engine is moving at Mach 5. The engine can sustain hypersonic speeds for over 20 minutes, a feat no traditional jet engine can match. To put that in perspective, it's over 3 times faster than a commercial jet, and it does it with no spinning parts. And here's the mind-blowing part, it works like a car engine with no pistons, using only forward motion to compress air.